So now we'll be seeing the last part from this water demand unit. So up to now we have seen from the first that from a particular source we are collecting the water, then we are taking the water to the water treatment plant. Then at the water treatment plant the water is treated and then it is distributed to the places where it is required. Now this water treatment plant, this plant is a costly structure, okay, and this cannot be easily replaced, or we can say it cannot be easily designed for further expansions, or we cannot increase the capacities very easily of the water treatment plant. So what we are doing, we are assuming or we are designing it for certain period of time. Let's take an example of 15 years. So the design period of this water treatment plant is 15 years. So for that, for the water treatment plant to work up to 15 years, it should meet all the requirements, it should meet all the demands of that community after 15 years also. I hope you are getting the point. You just have to imagine it. You just take an example of your own community or your city. So if you take your city, then let's say it is having a population of 2 lakhs right now. So in 2020, the population is 2 lakhs. And we have started to make a water treatment plant here right now. So if we are making the water treatment plant right now, then for the design, we have seen for the design of water treatment plant, what is required? What is the main parameter? The Q value. What is Q? Q is discharge. And this discharge depends on the population. We have seen in the formula Q is equal to population into per capita water demand. So this per capita water demand, this is constant, okay, but this population will vary. So how to calculate or for what value this Q should be designed? This Q should be designed for the highest value, that is after 15 years. After 15 years, whatever is the population, for that population you have to design it. So let's say after 15 years means 2035. So the population here right now is 4 lakhs. Now you can see that for our water treatment plant to properly satisfy all the needs, it should satisfy the water demand of 3 lakh population, of 3.5 lakh population, and also of 4 lakh population. I hope you are getting the point. When the population will increase, what will happen? If the population will increase, the water demand will also increase. Okay. If water demand increases, that means the Q value will increase. And if the Q value increases, the size or the capacity of the treatment plants has to increase. Then only the treatment plant can meet all the requirements of the community. I hope you are getting this point. Now we'll be writing the same thing here in the design period. So water treatment plant, water treatment plant and its distribution system. What is the meaning of this distribution system? That means from water treatment plant, how the water is coming at your home, it is coming through certain system of pipes or conduits. Okay, so that comes under this distribution system. So this water treatment plant and its distribution system are costly structures, and it is not easy to increase or replace, or we can say it is not easy to it is not easy to increase their capacities. It is not easy. Hence, in order in order to avoid future complications future complications of expansion. This expansion means the same thing, to increase the capacities. Expansion. The water treatment plant the water treatment plant and its distribution system are purposely made larger. Why they have made larger? So as to satisfy the needs of community the needs of community in future. So this is the meaning of design period. Now what is the design period for water treatment plant? So for water treatment plant, the design period is generally 15 years, and for distribution system it is 30 years.